So let's say that I wanted to find the derivative of x to the fifth power plus x to the third power. How would I do this? So in order to do this, I'm going to introduce a rule called the sum rule. So the sum rule is this. So let me use the sum rule to solve this question. So I'm going to first break this into two parts like this. So I'm going to apply the derivative to this x to the fifth power, and then add that to the derivative of x to the third power. And so what would this equal? Well, if you remember the power rule, you know that you have to bring this 5 down and multiply by x to the 5 minus 1, which is 4. And then take this and add it to, similarly, do the same thing here. Bring this 3 down. This doesn't look like a 3. Maybe write that. Bring this 3 down and multiply that by x to the 3 minus 1, which is 2. And so this equals 5x to the fourth plus 3x squared. And that's your answer. Now you could simplify this by taking out an x squared, which would make this x squared times 5x squared plus 3. This is also equivalent. So let's do another one of these. Let me keep the sum rule. Let me do another one of these examples. And I'm going to use the difference rule to solve this. Okay, so let me say I wanted to take the difference. So what's the difference rule? So the difference rule is very similar to the sum rule. In fact, it's the exact same, except I have the difference of these two functions. So this would be fx minus gx equals, and then I take the derivative of each one individually. So like this. I'm running out of space here. So like this. So let's use this difference rule to solve this. So I'm going to break it apart, just like this, into two pieces to find the derivative of each one individually. So this would be exact same. Use the power rule to get this 5 down, multiply by x to the power of 4. Subtract that by 3 down times x squared. And so this equals 5x to the fourth minus 3x squared. And similarly, you can take out the x squared and make this 5x squared minus 3. And so this is your answer. I hope you found this video helpful.